Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share with you how to make these delicious coffee and cinnamon cookies. They're so easy, so delicious. There is actual coffee in them, so I suggest perhaps not giving it to the little ones, but if you are of age and you really like to drink coffee, these cookies are definitely for you. And that little hint of cinnamon, I'm telling you, it makes all the difference. So if you want to see how they come together, keep on watching.